How to fix Bosch Cooktop error code 22 is a straightforward process that requires understanding the meaning, causes, and solutions of this error. Error code 22 on a Bosch cooktop indicates a problem with the cooktop's igniter, which is responsible for lighting the burners. This issue can be caused by a faulty igniter, food debris, or moisture in the igniter area. To begin fixing the error, ensure the cooktop is cool to the touch and all burners are turned off. Next, check the igniter for any blockages or food debris and clean it with a soft brush or cloth. If the issue persists, try resetting the cooktop by turning off the power at the circuit breaker or fuse box, waiting for 30 seconds, and then turning it back on. If the error code remains, the igniter may need to be replaced. This can be done by purchasing a replacement igniter from the manufacturer or an authorized dealer, and following the installation instructions. It is recommended to consult a professional if you are not comfortable with the replacement process. Preventing error code 22 from occurring in the future involves regular cleaning and maintenance of the cooktop. This includes wiping down the cooktop after each use, checking the igniter for blockages, and ensuring the cooktop is properly installed and vented. In summary, fixing Bosch Cooktop error code 22 involves identifying the cause of the issue, cleaning or replacing the igniter, and taking preventative measures to avoid future occurrences. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the error and ensure your cooktop is functioning properly and safely. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help prevent error code 22 and other issues, extending the lifespan of your Bosch cooktop.